Bam, bam, bam. The pebbles you've arranged in the sand, they're strange. They speak to me like constellations as we lie here. There's a magic I can't hold, your smile of honey gold, that you never seem to be in short supply of. Ooh. So baby, let's get it on, drinking wine, killing time, sitting in the summer sun. You know I wanted you so long, so why'd you have to drop that bomb on me? Lazy days, crazy dogs. You say we've been friends too long. Hey, I'm Vasco and today we're taking a look at 7 Days in Sunny June by Jamiroquai. We'll be doing it in the original key so you can practice with the original recording or on high G string ukulele. So grab yours and let's see how to play this one. Alright, so in the song we have just 2 different parts, but the chords are kind of funky and also the strumming pattern is a little bit challenging. So let's start with the first one. So we start with B minor 7, but we'll be sliding it from B flat minor 7. So barring on the first fret, sliding to the second fret. And we're doing down, slide, up, right? And then we grab F sharp minor, where we do down, up, down, up, down, up, right? Actually, after the down, up, there is a quieter down, up, half muted. All right, and after that we have F major 7, grabbed like this with 2 fingers on the 5th fret, the G and C string. And immediately after that, G major 7, barring on the 2nd fret the A, E and C string, the G string open, and again on the F major 7, down, up, and then on the G major 7, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, muted, and then A major 7, where we do down, up, and we move to this one, which in this context we'll call desuspended 9, right? So let's see how this one goes very, very slowly, right? Do we get the vibe? And on the last one, before going to the next part, you can just do 1 down strum. Okay, and let's see the next part. We start with A minor 7, but we'll grab it up here like E minor, but we just move this shape. 9th fret of the C string, 8th fret of the E string, 7th fret of the A string, and the G string open, right? And then we have F sharp minor 7, for which we'll just bar the 9th fret like this, right? And after that we have D minor 9, which in another context this would be F major 7, but they share a lot of notes, so in this context we'll call it D minor 9. And then G9 suspended. It's like E flat, but you move it 2 frets up, the G string is open again, right? And in this part the chords are twice as long. So basically we're doing the full strumming pattern on every chord. Alright? The pebbles you've arranged in the sand, they're strange. They seem to me like constellations as a within. There's magic I can't hold. Your smile of honey gold, and that you never seem to be in hard supply of. And we go to the next part. Ooh, baby, let's get it on. Drinking wine, killing time, singing the summer song. You know I wanted you so long, so why'd you have to drop that bomb on me? And here we have another part which is with the chords of the second part, but we strum it a little bit differently. I'm just doing kind of soft down strums with the thumb like this, 8 times on each chord. Lazy days, crazy those. You say we've been friends too long. And now the same part but a little bit with strumming. 7 days in sunny June, long enough to bloom. The flowers on the sundress you wore in spring. I don't know the lyrics here, but you get the point. Basically these two parts just rotated. You have to learn the chords and learn to transition between them smoothly. And after that, listen to the song exactly where are the quieter parts. Try to be quiet. In the loud parts, try to be as loud as you can. And thank you very much for watching. I hope this was helpful for you. If you learned this one with me, just let me know in the comments below which one would you like to learn next. That's it. Thank you very much. Bye.